What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adonis. I'm here today with another video for you guys, and I hope you guys are having a great day today. And basically, hungry as hell. Woke up like maybe an hour ago, and I'll drink my coffee real quick and my empanadas. But I got a piece to install today for the cord. That's just gonna make it the front end complete. It's gonna make the front end look amazing and literally match. And by the title, you already know what it is. And yeah, I can't wait to install that and show it to you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys that in a minute. So stay tuned. So as you can see, that's what I got. I basically got the blacked out grille. It's gloss black to match the wing and the front lip of the car. I'm gonna show you the stock grille right now so you guys can see the before and after real quick. So as you can see, it's gonna look completely different. You know, like it's gonna match the whole gloss black front end of the car, like the theme that I got going on. The only thing I'm gonna have to change is the emblem, the Honda emblem. But besides that, the rest of the car is gonna be gloss black. Let me pick this up real quick. Shit flying everywhere. It's windy as hell. It's cold today, so I got my sweater on. It's like super cold. But yeah, anyways, I want to get this installed as quickly as possible because I gotta work in a few. I just want to make this video before I go to work, so that way when I come out of work, I edit it. So let's get to it. I'm gonna show you guys what you have to do first before you even get to installing this, and then from there we move on. The first thing you want to do is that it comes with 3M tape already. All you gotta do is put it all around. I made sure I put one strip in the middles as well, because I didn't want it to come off at all. And I did the same thing on the other side, as you guys can see. 3M tape all over it. That's what it comes with. And then you have this self-adhesive promoter, which I'm basically going to apply to all around where this is going to sit. That way it doesn't come off in the wind and all that. So yeah, I just want to tell you guys, the 3M tape, that's what I did. Put it all around the edges. And that's the same thing you should do. So after you do that, after you have that prepped already, the next thing you want to do is clean your front end. All the chrome, make sure you clean it. It needs to have a clean surface so it can stick well, you know what I'm saying? You know, if there's dirt on it, it's not really going to stick that good. Which I cleaned the car, I think, the day before yesterday, but obviously I use the car every day, so the car is dirty. So I'm just going to have to wipe it with some, probably going to clean it with some Awesome. Look like pee, but it's not. Wipe it with some Awesome, wipe it off real quick with a clean rag, and then from there, we'll put you guys in a tripod somewhere so you guys can see how I paste it. as you can see, the car looks phenomenal, bro. It looks amazing, bro. I have no complaints, man. That black grille made that extra difference, bro. Especially with the, you know, the trunk lip, the front lip, you know, lowered. Pretty soon everything's gonna be black. Like all the chrome, I'm chrome deleting everything, just so you guys can know. So all that chrome on the sides, all the sides right there, it's gonna be gloss black. The emblems are gonna be gloss black. Everything that's chrome, I'm deleting. So before we end this video real quick, because I'm super happy with that, and it was a simple mod, but before I end the video, I want to show you guys something. I don't know when I'm gonna do this. I don't know if it's gonna be a next video or it's gonna be in a week from now or one, but I bought these things and I want to share with you guys. You know, is this. If you don't know what that is, those are canards. Now you can either stick these in with 3M tape or with screws. I'm probably gonna do it with screws, but I just want to show you guys. Like, this is how I got. I don't know if you guys can see it. There you go. So let me see if I get an example of how it would look. Let's get an example of how this would look. So it would be like probably something like that. So yeah, I haven't decided how I'll mount them yet, but yeah, it's gonna be something like that. It's gonna make the front end look even more aggressive. So yeah, be sure to stay tuned for that, because I am gonna install these. I know a lot of people are probably like, why are you doing that? I'm trying to make my cord different in my style. You know what I'm saying? Unique. You see my cord, you're gonna know it's mine. That's what I want. Try to get this back in the back. Okay. So that's a future video. So that's a future video. Stay tuned for that. I don't know when I'm gonna post that, but just stay tuned, because I will be installing that sooner or later in the front bumper. But anyways, I know this is a short video, but at least you guys got to see a mod that been in my garage. That part been in my garage for a while now, and I finally got to install it. Literally almost all the parts are installed besides the canards that I showed you. I think that's the last thing I have left in the garage. But yeah, I'm super happy how the car's looking now. It looks so good. Like, it looks so good. Car looks amazing. But anyways, stay tuned. There's more videos coming. Not just modding. I am gonna make sound. I know everybody's asking for sound clips of the exhaust outside the car instead of being inside the car. That's gonna be coming soon too. Just haven't done it yet. Sorry, haven't done it yet. So yeah, stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and remember, dream big, and keep your eyes wide open. Until the next one, peace.